Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Code's Arcade. In today's video, I'm going to talk about built-in data structure, that is list. So in my previous video, I explained you guys about what is data structure and why data structure is important. And also I told you guys about in Python data structure as divided into two categories. One is user defined data structure and built-in data structure. So today I am going to talk about built-in data structure, that is list. So built-in data structure is about list. So what do you mean by list, guys? Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. In a single variable, we can store as many as items we want. So for example, let us take the example A. A is variable. To this variable, we can store different data types. Let's say integer 1, float 2.5, and string, let's say hello, and also boolean true. So to this single variable, we can store as many as items we want. And also lists are always enclosed with square brackets, not round brackets or common brackets. It is always enclosed with square brackets. And lists are ordered collection of items. That means when I say lists or order, it means that the items have a defined order. Order is not going to change. And also list items are indexed. That means the first items has index 0 and the second items will be having index 1, like that. So in today's video, I will explain you about simple program on list, and also I will be explaining built-in methods or operation which comes under list. So let me get into Python. See, this is a simple program on list, and these are the built-in methods or operation which comes under list. Remove, append, copy, insert, pop, reverse and clear. So let us see this one by one. So here in the first line of code, what I did, companies, I took the variable as companies, and these are the company names. So as I said, lists are enclosed with square brackets. So this is square brackets, and Code's Arcade, TCS, Infosys and Wipro. These are the company names. And also as I said before, list items are index. The first item as index 0. So this is index 0, and this is index 1, index 2 and index 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So now if I print this and if I run this program, see here in console we are getting the output as Code's Arcade, TCS, Infosys, Wipro. So ordered. So list items are ordered collection of items. Code's Arcade, TCS, Infosys, Wipro. Right? Same order, right? Yes. So now let us see the built-in methods one by one. So this is remove method. Remove built-in method, companies dot remove. What do you mean by remove, guys? Easy, right? Remove, as the word itself says, removes the items. Remove method removes the items with specified value. If I say here TCS will be removed from this list. So now in the output we will be getting as Code's Arcade, Infosys and Wipro. So TCS will be removed, right? See, Code's Arcade, Infosys, Wipro. TCS has removed from the list. So this is how you can make use of the remove method, remove built-in method. Now append. What do you mean by append? Append means it adds an element at the end of the list. So to this list, in this list, this Amazon is going to add at the end of the list. So now output will be Code's Arcade and TCS is removed, right, from the list. Code's Arcade, Infosys, Wipro and Amazon. So if I run this, see here, Code's Arcade, Infosys, Wipro, Amazon. So append means it adds an element at the end of the list. So this is about append and remove built-in method. Now let's see about copy. What do you mean by copy? As the word itself says, copy returns a copy of the list. It prints the shallow copy to this list from this list. See here, Codex Arcade, Infosys, Wipro, Amazon. So it prints the shallow copy, right? So it returns a copy of the list as it is. So Codex Arcade, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Codex Arcade, Infosys, Wipro, Amazon. Right? TCS has removed from the list. That's why the output is this. So it prints the shallow copy. And the next, insert. So what is insert? Insert adds an element at the specified position. As I said, lists have index, that is, this is 0 index, this is index 1, index 2, index 3. Right? So here 1 and here I want to insert Microsoft at the place 1. So now 0th index is Codex Arcade and first index 1 is Microsoft. So the output will be Codex Arcade, Microsoft, and then Infosys because TCS has removed, Wipro and Amazon. See here, Codex Arcade, Microsoft, Infosys, Wipro, Amazon. So this is 0th index, this is index 1, this is index 2 and 3 and this is 4. So this is how insert operation works. Adds an element, insert operation adds an element at the specified position. Now pop. What do you mean by this pop? Pop means it removes the element at the specified position. So here don't get confused between remove and pop. Here we are mentioning the value name. It removes the items with specified value. So pop, it removes the element at the specified position. So now here I gave 2 right, that is Codex Arcade, TCS, Infosys, Wipro. So if I say 2, Codex Arcade, it is in 0th index and after that this is 1 because we inserted Microsoft, this is 1 and Infosys will be 2 and Wipro 3 and 4. So now the output will be, here the built-in method is pop method. So it removes the item Infosys and output will be Codex Arcade, Microsoft, Wipro, Amazon. Let us run and see the output. See here, Codex Arcade, Microsoft, Wipro, Amazon. Right? Yes. This is about pop method. Now reverse. As the word itself says, it reverses the order. So you guys might get confused. So let me comment this. Okay, reverse. Now if I run this program, the reverse order means the first item will be Wipro, second item Infosys, third item TCS, fourth item Codex Arcade. Yes, see here, Wipro is the first element, Infosys second, and TCS third, and Codex Arcade fourth. And this is about dot reverse, and after that the last built-in operation is clear. Clear means empty list. All the items in the given list will be removed. See here, Codex Arcade, empty list. So these are the few built-in methods or operations which comes under list, guys. This is about list. So these are the built-in operation which is very important. Dot remove, dot append. So dot remove means it removes the items with a specified value. Dot append means it adds an element at the end of the list. And copy means it prints the shallow copy of the given list. And dot insert means adds an element at the specified position with the position. And pop, it removes the element at the specified position. And insert, it adds an element at the specified position. And dot reverse, it reverts the order of the list. So dot clear means it output will be empty list. So it removes all the items in the list. So this is all about list guys, built-in data structure. So in the next video, I'll be coming up with more. I'll be explaining you guys about another built-in data structure, that is tuple. So till then, stay tuned and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you guys won't miss any future updates regarding our YouTube videos. Thank you.